Years in storage can do silent, terminal damage to heritage timber and riempies, but a master's hand can restore its soul. Whether it is sagging riempies on a Sandveld bench or brittle cane webbing on a Thonet Rocker, or a historical rattan bench like this one that belonged to Piet Retief and currently on show in the Transvaal room at the Voortrekker Monument, I specialize in restoration that brings life back to your beloved furniture, making it your showpiece again. Don't let your heritage fade away in the dark. WhatsApp me a picture of your heirloom pieces or any other rattan or riempie furniture on 076 498 9916 for an estimate.